Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Here's another possible A-level physics question on mechanics. This one is linked to Newton's laws of motion. Interesting question. Here we have a smooth pulley, and then you have a light inextensible string, and then you have a 2 kilogram mass connected to one side and 5 kilogram mass is connected to the other side. And you let the system go from this point. So obviously the 5 kilogram mass will move down, 2 kilogram mass will move up. So the question is, find the tension of the string and the acceleration of masses. Pause the video and give this a try. When you want to check the answer, continue the video. So here's the answer. First, we need to mark all the forces acting here. So you can see here, the downward force acting here is 2G. G is 9.81. And here we have 5G. The tension here, let's call it capital T. Now, because this is a smooth pulley, the tension will be the same. If it was a rough pulley, obviously you will have two different tensions, but here it's a smooth pulley, so it's the same tension here. Now we can see this is a 5 kilogram mass, this is a 2 kilogram mass. Obviously this one is accelerating downwards, this one is accelerating upwards. We are going to write F is equal to ma for each mass. Let's do it for the 2 kilogram mass. Now I know this is going upwards, so that way T take away 2G is equal to 2A. That's your equation 1. Now for the 5 kilogram mass, in the downward direction, we are going to write F equals ma. So 5G is bigger than tension. Take away T is equal to 5A. Equation 2. Now remember, questions like this can easily be solved by adding the two equations. So let's do that. Let's add the left hand sides. So I'm going to add T minus 2G and 5G minus T. So let's add them here. T, take away 2G, add 5G, take away T is equal to, I'm now going to add the right hand sides. So let's add the right hand sides together now. So we got 2A add 5A, which is 7A. Now this T and minus T gets cancelled out. 5G take away 2G is 3G, which is 3 times 9.81 divided by 2 add 5 is 7 is your A. So the answer for the acceleration is 4.2 meters per second squared. And to find the tension, I can substitute in one of the equations. So let's substitute in 1. So I know T is equal to 2A, which is 2 times 4.2 something. Add, moving this 2G to the other side, 2 times 9.81. So the tension here is 28 newtons. Done. If you are revising for A-level physics, don't stop there. Hit subscribe and check for my other videos on the channel. There are multiple videos on A-level physics, including both theory and exam practice. Let's keep mastering physics together.